Assalamualaikum. Good morning, student.
Waalaikumsalam. Morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
How are
And
you?
I'm fine too. Thank you. Before we start the lesson, let's say a prayer together. Please, the class leader to lead prayer.
yes, Miss. Let's pray together according to each other teaching and belief. Prayers begins. Finish.
Okay, before we do learning activity, Miss will check the attendance of students. Rafina Sagita,
Present, Miss.
Rani Ramadhani,
Present, Miss.
Karisma Nisa,
Present, Miss.
Vina Amelia.
Present, Miss.
Good. Okay, what we will to the learning student? Karisma, can you try to answer my question?
Can Miss? Today we will discussion about hydrocarbons compounds.
All right, thank you, Karisma. So today we will discussion about hydrocarbon compounds. Okay, before we learn about the hydrocarbon compounds, I have a question for you. Do you still remember about the peculiarity of carbon atoms? Fitri, can you try to answer my question?
Yes, Miss. The peculiarity of carbon atoms is able to bind to other carbon atoms from carbon chains.
Right, that's good. Thank you, Vina. So carbon atoms are able to bind to the other four elements, not only carbon, but can also bind to the hydrocarbon element. So if he ties carbon atoms, there are four types of bonds. There are two kinds of hydrocarbon compounds. One aliphatic, two cyclic. So today we will discuss aliphatic hydrocarbon compounds. In each there are compound alkanes, alkenes, and alkunes. Here we will discuss about the alkanes material. Okay, I'm going to show you a video and please watch it well. Okay, from the video, do you think that the application of alkanes is important in everyday life? Rafina, can you
Uh,
my question?
okay. Uh, the application of alkanes is important in everyday life. For example, as flumes.
That's good. Thank you, Rafina. So, the application of alkanes is very important in everyday life. So, do you know about alkanes compounds? If you want to answer, please play your video and audio. Oke, sekarang saya akan memberikan materi melalui PowerPoint. Can you see the PowerPoint on your screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, miss.
Can Miss.
Oke. Hydrocarbon compounds. Alkanes. Learning objective. Number 1. Students are able to know the meaning of alkanes. 2. Students are able to know the alkanes nomenclature. 3. Students are able to know the homologous series of alkanes. 4. Students are able to name and draw alkane structure formula. Alkanes. Alkanes itu aliphatic hydrocarbon compounds having C berikatan dengan C and C berikatan dengan H bonds. Acyclic alkanes itu molekular formulanya CnH2n tambah 2 contain only linear and branched chains of carbon atoms. Saturated hydrocarbons have the maximum number of hydrogen atoms per carbons. Cycloalkanes itu carbon joins in one or more ring. Molecular formula CnH2n have two fewer H atoms that an acyclic alkanes with the same number of carbon. Carbon atom is alkanes and other organic compounds are classified by the number of other carbons directly bound to them. A primer carbon itu satu karbon is bonded to one other atom. A secondary carbon itu dua karbon is bonded to two other C atom. A tertiary carbon itu tiga karbon is bonded to three other C atoms. Quaternary carbon itu 4 karbon is bonded to 4 other C atoms. Nah, ini ada contohnya. Satu karbon itu dia hanya mengikat 1 C, 2 karbon dia mengikat 2 C, 3 karbon dia mengikat 3 C, dan 4 karbon dia mengikat 4 C. Nah, untuk tabel 4.1 ini merupakan tabel dari alkana, di mana ada CH4 itu metana, C2H6 itu etana, C3H8 itu propana, C4H10 itu butana, C5H12 itu pentana, C6H14 heksana, C7H16 itu heptana, C8H18 itu oktana, C9H20 itu nonana, C10H22 itu dekana. Dan ini C20H42 ini jarang digunakan ya, tapi itu namanya ekosana. Nah, untuk nomenklatur atau penamaan dari alkana, dia the name of every organic molecule has 3 part. Yang pertama, the parent name indicates the number of carbons in the long continuous chains. Number 2, the suffix indicates what functional group is present. 3. The prefix tell use the identity, location, and number of substitution attached to the carbon chains. Nah, ini contohnya yang di depan ini namanya prefix, yang di tengah ini namanya parent, yang terakhir itu namanya suffix. Nomenclature. Carbon substituents bonded to a long carbon chains are called alkyl groups. An alkyl group is formed by remove one H atom from an alkane. To name an alkyl group, change the N ending of the parent alkanes to il. Nah, jadi dari ana diubah menjadi il. Misalnya heptana menjadi heptanil. Nah, ini ada contohnya, metana CH4 menjadi metil. Nah, etana CH3CH3 menjadi etil, CH3 CH2-. Name and number the substituents. Number 1, name the substituents as alkyl group. 2, every carbons belong to either the long chains or substituents, not both. Each substituents needs its own number. 4, if two or more identical substituents are bonded to the long chains, use prefix to indicate how many. D for 2 group, 3 for 3 group, tetra for 4 group, and so forth. Nah, jadi D itu untuk 2, 3 itu untuk 3, dan tetra itu untuk 4. Nah, ini ada contohnya, rantainya ada 8, C, ini C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, di mana di C2 ini ada metil karena dia mengikat 1 C. Di C yang nomor 5 ini dia mengikat 2 C, itu namanya etil. C6 itu dia mengikat metil, dan C8 itu untuk jumlah dari C-nya. Dia ada 8 berarti rantainya. Berarti itu namanya oktana. Nah, ini sama ada berbentuk apa nih namanya, sikloheksana. Nah, kalau dia seperti segi dari segi 8 ini namanya sikloheksana, tapi penamaannya sama aja. Untuk urutan di sini C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, dan C6. Oke. Okay, good if you already understand today material. Please, Rani, conclude material today.
Okay, Miss. Alkanes are hydrocarbon consisting of the elements carbon and hydrogen, which are single chain carbon bonded carbon, have an acyclic form or a straight branch or not circular carbon chains arrangement.
Right, thank you, Sari. Because the time is over, I think that's enough for today's learning. For all students, study more material today to understand this lesson. Thank you for your attention. I hope that today in online class is useful for you. Don't forget to take care of your health because there is the virus COVID-19. Before we class today lesson, let's pray together to finish the lesson today. Class leader. Karisma, can you over class?
Oh, sorry, Miss. Get ready, pray star. Prayer over greeting. Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, student. See you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you,
Waalaikumsalam
Miss.
warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh,
warahmatullahi
Miss.
wabarakatuh.
Bye, Miss.
Thank you,
You're
Miss.
Bye, Miss.
welcome.
Thank you ya, Miss.